Hi, today we are discussing about blind spot monitor system BSM. We can see what is blind spot monitor system. So, the blind spot monitors function uses sensors to detect vehicle that are traveling in the vehicle blind spot, helping the driver to confirm safety when changing lanes. That is called blind spot system. Then, the second point, we can see the blind spot monitor system consists of which parts. So, there is two blind spot sensors in the rear side and steering sensor, yaw rate sensor, outer rear view mirrors, RCTA buses, also called blind spot monitor buzzer, then combination meter assembly. This is the parts it's related to blind spot system. Actually, the blind spot system is helping the driver to confirm safety when changing lanes, because of all vehicle have a blind spot. The driver cannot see one area of the road, so that is called blind spot. To helping driver to confirm safety when changing lanes, that's the function of blind spot monitor system. Coming to next picture, this is the blind spot sensor wherever the locating rear bumper. There is two sides, there is a blind spot sensors normally equipped in vehicle. The blind spot monitor sensor consists of a millimeter wave radar circuit and signal processing circuit. Millimeter wave radar sensors using frequencies to so we know the blind spot monitor sensor location, it's in rear bumper corners. Next, we can see the function operates the conditions. The blind spot monitor switch or function should be on, otherwise it will not work. And the vehicle speed approximately 16 to 20 kilometer speed. That's a greater than that speed. The less than that speed, it will not work. The shift lever should be normal position other than reverse. This is the three conditions. And the blind spot monitor function can detect vehicle its detection areas, which areas it will detect. When this vehicle is overtaken by other vehicle in the adjacent line, should be work. When other vehicle enter the detection area of the vehicle due to line change. So the second picture, you can see the line change detection area. I think you can understand the basic things of BSM, blind spot monitor function and system. Thank you very much for your time and stay tuned the channel for next video. Thank you very much.